Chapter 5, Pattern number 1. N, place, A particle, ikimas, kimas, and kairimas. N refers to a noun. When a number of movement shows to a place, we use the particle he, which is read as A, after the place noun to indicate direction. See, for an example, I will go to Tokyo. Tokyo e ikimasu. Second, I came to Japan. Nihon ni kimashita. Third, I will go home. Uchi e kaerimasu. Let's talk about the verbs. Here we have used the verb ikimasu, which means go, kimasu, which means come, and kaerimasu, which means go home, return. Now, talking about the second example of grammar pattern. In vehicle, they particle ikimas, kimas, and kairimas. The particle they shows the meaning or method of transport. When using verbs like ikimas, kimas, or kairimas, they tells us how to go and got there by vehicle or by method. Example, I will go by train. 電車で行きます。Second, I came by taxi. タクシーで来ました。Now, talking about the vehicles which we can use in this pattern. 飛行機 airplane 船 ship 手伝って which is help 地下鉄 subway 新幹線 bullet train バス bus 自転車 bicycle 車 car. When you walk, you use aruete. With that, you don't use any particle or you never put they particle or it is not used at all. Example, 駅から歩いて帰りました。I walked home from the station. Now, talking about the third pattern, which consists noun, person, and animal, it considered any one of them. To particle, verb. When doing something with someone, you use the particle to after the person or animal. Say for an example, I came to Japan with my family. 家族と日本に来ました。When you do something alone, use hitoride and to is not used. In short, the summary would be aruite and hitoride doesn't take the help of any particle. They use alone and they individually work it alone. Example, hitoride Tokyo e ikimasu. I will go to Tokyo alone. Next pattern called subject and yo. Yo is placed at the end of a sentence to emphasize information the listener doesn't know or to state something assertively. Example, この電車は甲子園へ行きますか? Does the train goes to 甲子園?いいえ、行きません。次の普通ですよ。The next train, local train does go to 甲子園. Next pattern would be itsu. To ask when something happens, we use itsu. When. Unlike other time words like nanji or nanyobi desu ka, what day, itsu does not need the particle ni. Example, when did you come to Japan? Itsu nihon ni kimashita ka? Second, I came on April 25th. 4月24日、25日に来ました。Now, we are discussing some days of the month vocabulary. What do we call first day of the month? It's Suitachi. Second day of the month, Futsuka. Third day of the month, Mikka. Fourth day of the month, Yokka. Fifth day of the month, Itsuka. Sixth day of the month, Muika. Seventh day of the month, Nanoka. Eighth day of the month, Yoga. Ninth day of the month, Kokonoka. 10th day of the month, Toka. Now we are adding some exceptions which is there in this counting. 14 we say Juyoka. 20th day of the month we say Hatsuka. 24th day of the month is called Nijuyoka. And the question interrogative part would be says Nan nichi desu ka? これで以上です。ありがとうございます。